Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for social science for standard 8, chapter number 11, that is agriculture. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please to subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, which soil is found in more than 50% of the total land area of Gujarat? It's option number D, alluvial. Second, which type of soil has the high moisture storage capacity? It's option number A, black. Third, which type of soil is also called as cotton soil? It's option number D, black. Fourth, which type of soil is also known as rigor? It's option number B, black. Fifth, which type of soil is formed in the areas of severe erosion due to excessive rainfall in India? It's option number B, laterite. Sixth, the layer of which type of soil is thin and underdeveloped in India? It's option number A, mountain. Seventh, which type of soil is located in Kutch, Saurashtra and some areas of North Gujarat in Gujarat? It's option number C, desert. Eighth, in which type of the following farming methods is the yield less? It's option number B, jhum farming. Ninth, which farming is also called as jhum farming? It's option number C, shifting farming. 10th, which of the following is a modern farming method? It's option number D, intensive farming. 11th, which state of India is called the wheat bowl? It's option number A, Punjab. 12th, which country ranks first in the production of paddy, that is rice, in the world? It's option number D, China. 13th, which country ranks first in the world in the production of groundnut? It's option number C, China. 14th, which district in Gujarat produces maximum groundnut? It's option number D, Junagadh. 15th, which country ranks first in the world in the production of castor? It's option number B, India. 16th, for the production of which crop is Kannam region near Bharuch in Gujarat famous? It's option number D, cotton. 17th, which is the best irrigation method among the following methods of irrigation? It's option number C, drip irrigation method. 18th, which plant is not used in biological, that is vegetation based pesticides? It's option number D, mushroom. 19th, up to what percent of water can be saved through drip irrigation method? It's option number A, 40% to 60%. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, the Indian economy is mainly dependent on agriculture. Second, about 50% of people of the world are engaged in farming activities. Third, the moisture bearing capacity of black soil is very high. Fourth, the red color of laterite soil is due to its iron oxide. Fifth, laterite soil has low organic contents. Sixth, the desert soil has high content of soluble salts. Seventh, marshy or peaty soil is formed by the accumulation of organic matters. 8. The other name of the marshy type of soil is peaty soil. 9th, shifting farming is also called as jhum farming. 10th, intensive farming is also called as commercial farming. 11th, rice is the most important and staple major food crop of India as well as of the world. 12th, Gujarat ranks first in India in terms of cotton production. 13th, the black cotton soil is also known as regur. 14th, the high production of millet is done in Rajasthan state in India. 15th, the high production of millet is done in Banaskantha district in Gujarat. 16th, groundnut holds an important place among oilseed crops. 17th, Gujarat ranks first in the production of groundnut in India. 18th, the highest production of groundnut in Gujarat is in the Junagadh district. 19th, other important irrigation projects like Sardar Sarovar are active in Gujarat. 20. Drip irrigation is a type of the micro irrigation method. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, India is an industrial country. It is false. Second, mainly cash crops are grown in subsistence farming. It is false. Third, wheat is mainly grown in the waterlogged fields. It is false. Fourth, the canal water is stored in the kher talabdi, that is farm pond. It is false. Fifth, the water level of the wells in the village lowers down by building check dams. It is false. Sixth, The labor cost is increased in the drip irrigation method for sprinkling. It is false. 7th, the Bhal region of Ahmedabad district is famous for Bhalia rice. It is false. 8th, the highest production of groundnut in Gujarat is done in Surendranagar district. It is false. 9th, the developed countries of the world having large population are engaged in wet farming. It is false. 10th, farmers are provided with the latest information and guidance about farming through the agricultural fairs in Gujarat. It is true. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, alluvial soil. It's option number 4, clay, that is sticky and dark colored. Second, black soil. It's option number 1, clay and moisture bearer. Third, red soil. It's option number 5, areas of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Fourth, laterite soil. It's option number 2, areas with severe erosion. Now second part of match the following. First one, shifting farming. It's option number 3, very low production. Second, intensive farming. It's option number 5, modern farming method. Third, wet farming. It's option number 1, cultivation of paddy, sugarcane, cotton, wheat, etc. Fourth, plantation farming. It's option number 2, cultivation of rubber, tea, coffee, cocoa, etc. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, which things are essential, that is vital for farming? Suitable soil, water, seeds, fertilizer, pesticides and climate are essential for farming. Second, which things are included under the outputs of farm system? The crops, wool, dairy and poultry products, etc. are included under the outputs of farm system. Third, which is the main characteristic of black soil? It is clay, loamy and fertile. Its capacity to retain moisture is high, and when the moisture dries up, cracks or fissures develop in it. Fourth, by which name is the black soil called? The black soil is more suitable for cotton crops farming, so it is called as black cotton soil. Fifth, where is the red soil found in India? The red soil is found in the areas of igneous and metamorphic rocks in India. Sixth, why is the laterite soil less fertile? The laterite soil is less fertile because there are less organic elements in it. Seventh, which is the main characteristic of desert soil? It is sandy and less fertile and has high content of soluble salts. Eighth, why is the intensive farming also called as commercial farming? Economic return is given more importance in intensive farming, so it is also called as commercial farming. Ninth, which crops are grown in wet farming? Crops like paddy, sugarcane, cotton, wheat, vegetables, etc. are grown in wet farming. 10th, for which reasons are different crops grown in different regions? Due to the diversity in factors like the geographical conditions of the concerned region, climate varieties in the types of variates in the types of the soil and in the rainfall, etc. Different crops are grown in different region. 11th, in which districts is the paddy, that is rice, produced in Gujarat? Rice, that is paddy, is produced in Kheda, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Surat, Tapi, Anand, Valsad, etc. districts in Gujarat. 12th, which type of soil is favorable for growing groundnut? Black fertile, loamy and sandy lava soil where water is not retained is favorable to groundnut. 13th, which is the ultimate goal of agricultural development? The ultimate goal of agricultural development is to increase the food security for the people. 14th, how has India become self-reliant in the food grains? India produced more food grains by using high-yield variety of seeds for increasing farm production and thus became self-reliant in the food grains. 15th, what is called irrigation? When crops are watered, usually by the artificial arrangement of wells, tube wells, reservoirs of small or large check dams and ponds, it is called irrigation. 16th, what is a khet talavdi, that is farm pond? A farm pond is a small pond built on the slopy ridges of grassland in the farm. 17th, What is a check dam? A strong dam is built across the flow of small rivers, streams, or rivulet, that is springs, to prevent the flowing water. It is called check dam. 18th. On whom does the success of drip irrigation system depend? The success of drip irrigation system depends on how it is designed, maintained, and implemented. 19th. What is the advantage of using various modern irrigation systems in agriculture? By using various modern irrigation systems in agriculture, water can be saved and more production can be obtained by maintaining the quality of the soil. 20. Name the types of agriculture. The types of agriculture are as follows. First one, subsistence farming. Second, zoom farming. Third, intensive farming. Fourth, dry farming. Fifth, wet farming. And sixth, horticulture. 21. Which vegetations are used in biological pesticides? Neem, that is limdo, karanj, mahudo, tulsi, ratanjot, mint, bitter gourd, tobacco, sevanti, etc. are used in biological pesticides. 22. What are used in the biological organic pesticides? Bacteria, virus, fungi, worms, and vegetation, etc. based biological pesticides are used to control pests. Bacteria constitute about 90% of it. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions briefly. First one, state the factors affecting agriculture. The factors affecting the agriculture are as follows. First one, improved seeds. Second, pesticides. Third, improved facilities of irrigation. Fourth, drip irrigation system. Fifth, sprinkler irrigation method. Sixth, fertilizers, that is manures. Seventh, farm implements, etc. Second, how does the government help the farmers to develop agriculture? The government of Gujarat offers to the farmers the facilities through radio, television, newspapers, DD, Kisan channel, Kisan SMS on mobiles, toll-free number, that is 1800 180 150 551. Mobile apps like government web portals for farmers, etc. provides continuously about the latest information, new technology and guidance. Third one, which are the main crops grown in Gujarat, or which crops are mainly cultivated in Gujarat? The main crops grown in Gujarat are crops like millet, wheat, paddy, jowar, cotton, sugarcane, etc. Fruits such as mango, banana, chiku, papaya, grapes, coconut, etc. Pulses like grams, mung, moat, urad, tuver, etc. And condiments like chilies, cumin seed, fennel seed, mustard, etc. Now we'll continue with question number 7, that is give geographical reasons for the following statements. First one, the excessive use of chemical fertilizers and the chemical pesticides is harmful. By using the chemical fertilizers and the chemical pesticides excessively, the quality of the soil has decreased and the water pollution has increased. Besides, the toxins of the pesticides remain in the agricultural productions, which produce long-term adverse effects on the human hygiene. There are possibilities of some diseases happening to man. Thus, the excessive use of chemical fertilizers and chemical pesticides is harmful. Second, the trend towards the biological pesticides is increasing. When the liquid of biological pesticides is sprayed on the crops, the dormant but live bacteria along with the caterpillars enter its intestine along with the food. This toxic protein causes paralysis in the caterpillar's intestine and especially in the mouth. Eventually, the caterpillar is dead. Thus, the biological pesticides cause different diseases among the troublesome minute insects. As a result, these pests are dead. So, the trend towards biological pesticides is increasing to control pests. Third one, the drip irrigation system is the best irrigation system in agriculture because of the following reasons. About 40% to 60% of water can be saved. About 25% to 30% fertilizer can be saved. Labor cost is also reduced. The water can be given to the undulating land also. Less weed reduces the cost of weeding medicines and labor. The spread of pests reduces as the water is not retained in the land. As the moisture is retained in the soil, it is easier to do only farming activities. Now we'll continue with question number 8, that is write short notes on. First one is black soil. This soil is clayey and loamy. The moisture storage capacity of this soil is very high, and when moisture dries, fissures or cracks appears in it. This land is more suitable for cotton crop. That is why it has become popular as the black cotton soil. This soil is also known as regur. In this type of soil, cotton, linseed, mustard, groundnut, tobacco and pulses like urad are cultivated. Second one is paddy, that is rice. Rice is an important and major food crop of the world and India. Most of the people in the world and in India, we use rice in their diet. Rice needs hot and humid climate and high rainfall. Rice is grown mainly in irrigated fields. More workers are needed to work in rice farming. China leads in rice production, followed by India, Japan, Sri Lanka. Then West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Odisha are the major rice producing states. In Gujarat, rice is produced in districts like Kheda, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Surat, etc. Now we'll continue with question number 9, that is explain the concept of the following words. The first one is agriculture. In the primary activities, growth of food grains, oilseeds, pulses, fruits, vegetables, flowers, etc. and rearing livestock are included, and these are called farming. The farming is also called agriculture. Second one is wet farming. The farming which is carried out in the regions where the rainfall is more and the irrigation facilities are also available is called wet farming. If there is no rain or if there is less rain, then one or more crops in a year can be taken in the type of farming with irrigation facilities. Paddy, sugarcane, cotton, wheat, vegetables, etc. are cultivated here. Now question number 10, that is show the following crops with proper symbols in the districts of their production in the outline map of Gujarat given below. So you can see from the map and complete in your workbook. 11th question is show the following crops with proper symbols in the states of their production in the outline map of India given below. So you can just see from the map of India and complete in your workbook. And here we come to the end of chapter number 11, that is agriculture. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.